In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder from your Wistia account. We'll explore everything from inviting collaborators to creating a shareable link, ensuring that you understand each option available and how to set it up according to your needs. Let's start by navigating to your Wistia account. Once you've logged in, head over to the Folders section. You'll want to choose the specific folder that you're planning to share. Now, take note of the Share button. It's typically located at the top right of the folder page. This is your gateway to all sharing options. When you click the Share button, a drop-down will present you with three primary choices. You can invite collaborators, share a link, or share the folder as a channel or playlist. Let's delve a bit deeper into what each of these options entails. If you choose to invite collaborators, you're granting specific users access to the folder. This is great when you want to work closely with certain people who might need full access for editing or viewing purposes. The next option is to share a link. This is ideal if you need to distribute content to a broader audience. Clicking on this leads you to a dialog where you set the access level. Here, you'll decide between two key settings: Unlocked, where anyone with the link can view the content, and Locked, where only those invited and who have logged in are able to view it. You also have the option to toggle Allow Download. This feature comes in handy if you want your viewers to have the ability to download the content directly from the folder. Once you've finalized these settings, simply copy the provided link and distribute it to your intended viewers. Now, moving on to sharing the folder as a channel or playlist. This option is particularly useful if you're looking to share the entire folder's contents in a curated sequence. To do this, select the Share folder as a channel or playlist option. You can choose to create a brand new channel or select an existing channel. Here, consider whether you'd like any new media added to the folder to automatically sync to the channel, whether to publish it directly or add it as drafts for later review. Once you've set this up, publish the channel and copy the link or embed code to share with your audience. After you've set up your sharing preferences, it's important to test the link. Open it in an incognito browser or make sure you're logged out to verify that the access works as you intended, whether it's unlocked for everyone or locked for select users. Finally, if you ever need to stop sharing or modify permissions, revisit the folder, click Share, and navigate to Manage Collaborators or Link Settings to adjust or revoke access as needed. By following these steps, you can confidently share your Wistia folders in the way that best suits your needs.